pause,
Why?
or play. Hit play.
It is.
Oh, it is playing. Okay. Here's what you wear when you crack crab.
You don't want.
Hey, if you crack.
I don't want
Hey,
you.
hey, if you crack crab and you feed it to your princess like this. So how many men feed their woman crab? Do you like that crab?
It is. Wow.
Oh, crap. Hey, this is one glove couple. New.
One glovey couple.
We don't have many gloves left. Look, we're almost out of gloves. Put those back in there.
Yes, sir.
We leave the cracking to me. And you could,
Good morning, class.
you could go out and gather more food. Hey,
Hello, cutie.
what are you going to get next?
Crab.
Crab? More crab?
Hey,
Hey, don't do that. We have a whole bunch of crab here.
you did it. For me.
I got hungry. Hey, there you go, cracking crab again.
Yeah.
I'm the one cracking crab. Why are we both cracking crab? You're supposed to be out gathering food. You go out and gather. We don't both crack crab.
Here we go. Perfect.
Hey.
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 Sorry I missed.
You missed. I missed too. Here. A little piece for a little woman. Hey. You have to go to Dollar Tree to get more gloves.
Yeah. Or Daiso. Daiso.
Taizo don't sell gloves.
Daiso.
They don't sell anything. And we never get there on time. We go to the buffet and stay too long and never make it before they close.
We did. We couldn't get to buy it.
No, because we're at the buffet for 5 hours. I had crab in my beard. You didn't even tell me. I had to see on the camera that I had crab in my beard.
I didn't know.
You were supposed to look at my beard.
Hey, cutie.
How come you didn't put silver or gold in my beard?
Oh, we need to
It
buy
looks pretty
it.
pretty. No, we just use it at Sephora. We just go to Sephora and use makeup.
Hey, we need to buy.
No, we go to Sephora for 2 hours and use their makeup. And then when I come pick my woman up, she puts some gold in my beard. And she said, oh, here's some leave-in conditioner. Hey, here's some leave-in conditioner, and it happened to be glitter.
White people are very quiet now. I have no clue.
There's no hidden Koreans here tonight? No? You don't want nobody to know about the hidden Koreans?
I guess there are Koreans, but
No, the hidden Koreans. Have you ever seen a hidden Korean?
what are hidden Koreans?
I don't know. That's something you talk about. Don't think that's something I know anything about.
I have no.
Now you're making me look like the one that's cuckoo.
What's cuckoo?
Cuckoo.
What is cuckoo?
Silly. But a little more silly than the normal people.
The fact is, we are not silly.
No, we're pretty serious tonight. No hidden Koreans. Hey. Hey. Give me that. You're not supposed to give me that part.
Sorry. This is very sweet.
Yeah. Tastes like corn. Kind of tastes like corn.